Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to upload documents to USCIS in 2026 if you're submitting evidence or supporting files for your application. This step is very important. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are on the correct site to keep your documents secure. Now sign into your USCIS online account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it before you can upload anything. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and open your active case or application. This is where your submission details are stored. Next, look for the option that says Upload Evidence or Add to Documents. Click on it to start the upload process. Now select the files from your computer or phone. Make sure your documents are in the correct format, like PDF or image files, and that they are clearly readable. After selecting your files, wait for them to upload fully. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once uploaded, you may be asked to label or describe each document. Add simple names like passport, birth certificate, or proof of address so everything stays organized. Now carefully review everything before submitting. Make sure you uploaded the correct files for the correct section. Finally, click Submit to complete the upload process. You may receive a confirmation message or email after successful submission. And that's it. Your documents are now uploaded to USCIS safely and correctly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.